Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where the Parktronic fuses and relays are located, which fuses and relays control the Parktronic, where you can buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time. Well guys, it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So, before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys, we'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, the Parktronic fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we will demonstrate on this generation BMW X3, X4. As you know, they share the same platform, so it should work for both. Now we'll be working in 2 different fuse boxes, but what we need to do first, open the passenger door, then open the glove box, empty the content of it, and on the back in the right here corner you have one cover. Press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you have a fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So guys, now we need to check 2 fuses. We'll talk about the relays in a little bit. You wonder where they're located now. So if you come right here guys, okay, let's zoom in a little bit. Perfect, just like that, so you can clearly see. The first one that you need to check, that's fuse 7, 8, fuse number 8, right here. That fuse will need to be checked, very important fuse. After that you need to check fuse number 45, so that's 43, 44, 45. Some of you may or may not have this one, depending on which model and package you have. Then you need to open the trunk, and in the trunk guys, on the right side here, pull that cover, lift the insulation up. Behind it you have a fuse box that looks like this one. Here specifically guys, we need to check one fuse, and that fuse is known as fuse number 130. So this fuse guys, okay, if you come right here, some of you will have that one, will be in that row of fuses here. That's 127, 28, 29, 30. It will be right here. So you may have only one fuse, you may have up to 3 fuses. Relays, you don't have any relays, guys. Practically the relay function is controlled by the body control module. So those are known as relay fuses. So if you have problems with the cameras not working, Parktronics, anything like that, check these fuses first. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping, guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because we have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes, guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well, guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.